Let's talk about this really great must-have DIY plant repotting tool. It's a surface that will keep your surfaces clean. It works very simply by unfolding the entire thing and snapping the corners shut. This makes a sort of small trough for you to work in on any countertop or surface and contains the mess that would otherwise be made in your home. I love this item because it is waterproof when you snap it shut, so even if I spill some liquid, it won't get all over the place. I've used this surface to repot all of the plants in my home, upgrading their pots just slightly so they can continue to be happy and grow. Depicted in this video, I was creating a seedling pan, which is a super shallow dirt and perlite filled vessel that I started some seeds in on my porch. You can see what a mess it would have made if I had just had this straight on my counter. I am not a careful person or very graceful for that matter, and so I love to make messes. But with this potting tool, I was able to contain everything and then dump it all in one go outside and refold it to pack for later on, leaving literally no trace that I had made a giant mess. Anyhow, I just wanted to share one of my tricks of the trade with you and let you know how helpful this tool is for repotting or starting your seedlings like I did here. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and comment below and let me know what your best practices are for repotting your plants.